Hey everybody, just writing some new lines using the 2-5 workbook, and I wanted to show you a couple of examples using the same line, but how to create different sounds. So here's a line that's pretty classic bebop and ending it with a sharp 11 on the major. Maybe you're trying to get more of a diminished sound into your playing, so here's a line that does that, and you might see or might notice that I break the ending rule. The endings in the book are just suggestions, so I do more than 6 notes on this one. I think I do 7. Now here's a more spread line. So if you're hearing that diminished, but you wanted to spread that out a little bit more over the 5 chord, here's what that sounds like. So I find when I write these lines, trying to explore these different sounds, it ends up helping me get it more into my improvisation. Something fun to do. If you're interested in the 2-5 workbook, use workbook 10 and get $10 off. See you next time. Later.